Carolina, Halifax, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Northampton County in northeastern North Carolina, southwestern Greensville County in southeastern Virginia, southern Brunswick County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Littleton, or 9 miles northeast of Warrenton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gassburg around 4:15 p.m. Brunswick around 4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ante, Brink, Triplet, Bowen's Corner, Henrico, White Plains, Voltaire, Valentine's, Slate's Corner, and Roanoke Rapids Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter @WakefieldVA. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Northampton, North Carolina, and Brunswick, Virginia.